madness.
Hello and welcome to Tuhin editing. Today I'm going to show you how you can add gradient to the editable text in Adobe Illustrator. So in terms of Adobe Illustrator, we know that it's not possible to add gradient in the editable text. You have to expand it to another object. So this is the text that we are going to add gradient. So you can add different colors, but when you click on the gradient, it's not really working. So how to add gradient in the editable text. So to do that, first click on the layer and go to the appearance and settings. You'll see there's a fill option. Click on it and make it none. So there's invisible editable text that is available. Now go to the appearance tab and click on this button. This is called add new fill. Click on it and you will see a black color fill has been added. And when this fill option is selected, go to the gradient, and now you can add any colors of gradient that you actually want. I'm selecting two colors to add a gradient, maybe 90%, 90 degree. See, this is a gradient working, and it's also editable, fully editable text with gradient. You can also add any kind of gradients you want, any kind of style, maybe changing color. So this is it. Very easy and very quick tutorial to add gradient to your text, and also the text is completely changeable, editable as you want. So thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video. Happy designing.